Welcome back, everybody. This is the WPF2 Blazor Snake Edition tutorial series. Alright, so last time we finished, the basic setup, and we created this first page, the main menu page, and yeah, we finished styling it. So let's give it a quick run, see what it looks like, and we'll go from there. So this is the page. So we shrink it down, fits. Yeah, I'm not gonna work on making it responsive right now. We'll probably leave that to the later episodes where if I feel like it, I'll clean it all up and make it totally responsive. But yeah, this is already a good start off. So yeah, we got the buttons that appear when hovering, and yeah, so now we gotta go to this address. So there's nothing there yet, so let's create that. And I have the screenshot. This is what it's supposed to look like. So we got the high scores title up top, and then up to 10 scores can be displayed. So, and then at the bottom there's a menu button, to a main menu button to go back to the main menu. Alright, let's get into it. So let's make this a little bit smaller, push this to the side. That's good. Okay, so let's stop running this, and let's just copy the index.razor, and then I'll call it high scores. And here we'll just name it high scores. Yeah. Page title. So maybe high scores. Okay, let's remove that. So what do we need? We're gonna need probably a grid again, and then we'll just stack them on top. So 1, 2, 3 rows. And then inside here we'll do, I don't know, probably also a grid or a flexbox. But yeah, let's just get that going. Alright, so we got the div, and then inside there we got the h1 title, which will say high scores. And then inside here we got another div, which we'll use to display the scores. And then here we got an a tag with an href. Yeah, just back to the index page. And this will say main menu. Alright, so here we already have the class, and it should be I don't know, button, standard button. There we go. Let's see if this is, you can see the changes happening here. And we also created the CSS file for this page already. Alright, so I got the high scores. Oh, that's because yeah. So let's go back. Try that again. No. Let's restart it. Alright, this time it should hopefully work. Here we go. Alright, and we can go back. Great. Alright, so this looks like crap. Let's fix this. So now we got, let's go here, we'll create a quick for loop, and then we'll say int I equals 0, I is smaller than 10, because we want 10 scores maximum in here, and then we'll say div, actually, let's go put a paragraph in, and then we'll have then 20. Okay. It's not working, but alright, yeah, so hot reload is always a mess. Alright, but let's just style this first one. So this class, it's gonna be the high high score high score, yeah, menu container, and let's go over to the CSS file, paste that in there. Okay, so we're gonna have a grid here. Display grid. And say justify items. We'll center those. And align items. Center that also. And then the entire content, we'll center that. And let's give it a height, also 90 viewport units. Let's give it a background color of black. Oh man, it's so annoying that it's not updating right away. Alright, here we go. Okay, now we got all centered. Justify content. What happens if I delete that? Nothing. Oh, it's actually centered. That seems fair. And that seems also fair. Okay, yeah, so this is justify items horizontally, and align items is vertically. I always forget that part. Okay, so let's do the margin again. So margin auto. Ooh. So that's probably why I did the justify content. Okay. So let's give this a min height, since I don't want anybody to, I don't want this to happen right here. When you scroll, there's 10 scores in there. I should probably take this out. Yeah. So there's going to be a min height of, I don't know, let's do pixels here. Yeah. Okay, it's not updating. This is great. Alright, let's just keep going. Alright, so we got the min height, and then let's put that there, and let's go for the width. I also want to give this at least 80%. So now we actually need to set this margin to the center of this whole thing. Alright, and then at the margin, actually what happens if I do align content, does it center? Yeah, it doesn't really center inside the... Oh, actually... No, let's go with the margin top. And I think in the other one I did the base. Size, base. And let's give this also a border radius. And yeah, I think I also stuck to the base here. Okay, that looks good. That looks good. This is not updating. Ah, here we go. Alright, now we got 10 scores. Let's say we got 10 scores and somebody decides to scroll. No. Shrink this window down. So now we got the scroll bar appearing. And this button doesn't get pushed down into the outside of this border. So that's good. And for some reason... Okay. Alright. So we got the scores. Now... yeah, let's give the heading a class, and we'll call that the high score title. Paste that in there. And font size, I don't remember what it is. Maybe 655 XL. Let's check that out real quick. Main menu. Yeah, let's just copy this right here. Okay, that looks good. That looks good. That looks good. Alright, now for this one here. Let's do the... and this is going to be the high score container. Alright, for this we are going to just make it simple. Let's make this a flex, and then the flex direction is going to be column, and the width is going to be 100%. So it'll fill it'll fill this, the parent, because it always goes up to the parent. So it's not, if I was to write 100 VH, then it would fill the whole window viewport. But when I'm writing 100%, then it'll just fill all the way up to this container width. And yeah, let's add a gap in between all these items, and then we'll just go size x. Didn't seem to do anything, but alright. Here we go. Now we got and the 700 pixels seem to be enough. Nope, not really. Yeah. Let's go LG. Let's just keep it base. So let's make this 800 pixels. Yeah, and now it doesn't get pushed out. Kinda does, but yeah, but you're not supposed to do it, so yeah. Alright. And now we have to create actually another div, because I want the name and the score to be on the same line. So I'll have a paragraph tag here, and then the score. And then we'll give this a class. It will be the high score line. Alright, so high score line. And we'll just do also flex, and then flex direction will be row. And if we get to update here, and then let's do justify items. We'll do space justify content space between. So that'll push all them all the way to the sides. Perfect, and then we'll just have to add a margin. Left and right, well, here left and here right, but alright, and to do that, we'll just go here, paragraph, We'll do text transform capitalize, so we'll just have capital text in here, and then margin, we'll do size XL, 2XL, 4XL, 5XL. Yeah. 6XL seems fine. And let's go font size. Let's give this actually a class here, name. Hi. Text. There we go. All right. Didn't we add a gap? Oh yeah, gap. Yeah, that's fine. All right, so we got that done. Scores. That seems fine. This button works. All right, so yeah, this is gonna be a short video, because yeah, next time we'll get into the nitty gritty where we start to draw the game grid or the canvas. I don't know, I have to think about it, but yeah, the game grid, and then we'll start drawing the fruit and snake. So yeah, that's what we'll tackle next time. So thanks for joining me, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye bye.